Alright, real quick, if you want to change the filter on a Stratus 5 concentrator, oxygen concentrator, it's pretty easy to do. And you'll want to do that if you get like a red light on the display there, and it will start beeping. What you want to do is make sure the Stratus 5 is unplugged. And then on most units, it's on the side. As you can see here, there's a little lip here. You just push down on that. You might have to be aggressive and pop it out. And as you can see, here's the filter. And then to clean it, the only thing you have to do is run it through water really good. If you have a spray, that's even better. And then let it air dry, or you can get a hair dryer and dry it out. Just make sure it's dry before you turn the unit back on. And then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much how to change the filter on a Stratus 5. Let me know in the comment section if y'all have any pets or dogs. Now right now, we got two of them. We got this one here, it's a peekapoo named Bentley. Hey Bentley, say hi. That's the best one right there. And then we got Mama's boy over here, and that's a Chihuahua. We think he's got some terrier in him, but that one's can be mean sometimes, but we still love them. Alright, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe.